it. Did you send it to YouTube?
My whole family knows she's going messing with Tiffany sometime. Come and get me. I want to go. Well, I'm going to stop and pick Tiffany up. Well, I'm going to stop and pick Tiffany up. Well, I'm going to stop and... Really? Really, dude? Huh? Huh? How come you don't never ask your husband? Mom, can you get up, take a bath, and go with us today? I want to show
Mommy,
you
that's enough videos. I only need 2
you
of
don't
them,
never
okay?
do that. You gay?
Mom, I only need 2.
Might be gay. Why you shut down?
Okay, now let's
You might be
go.